So muri Zimbabwe takakuripotera pano pamuzinda wevanhu just a couple of days ago tichikuudzai about marussian commandos apinda munyika. So let me say, set the record straight. First of all, these things, if you are in the military, you are in the intelligence, you have access to people who you can ask kuti iwe ndaona mamilitary chakadaro ekurussia achipinda munyika, tell me what is going on. What they will answer you, the official answer they will tell you, they will say it's a scheduled visit for training and sharing information and technology. Understand this. Officially, on government records, these visits are called, strategic, occasional visit, where the Russian military comes and trains Zimbabwean soldiers on this, on that. But muri Zimbabwe kune vanoziva zviri kuitika mukati. They will tell you this. So first of all, Comrade Knox Chivero vakabudikira on public platform YouTube, on Comrade Blessed Geza YouTube channel. I want to tell you, I want to talk with respect to Comrade Blessed Geza, my big brother, Comrade Blessed Geza. I tell you this, inini, during Comrade Blessed Geza mazuva avo, almost takuinda kuma fewer months, the last months of his life, Comrade Blessed Geza vari ku Herbert Chitepo Barracks, and then he went from Herbert Chitepo Barracks and to South Africa for medical treatments, and then he ended up dying in South Africa. I talked to Comrade Blessed Geza vari ku Herbert Chitepo Barracks myself. I talked to Comrade Blessed Geza, and what he told me one thing. I want to confess, I want to tell you, Panap and Dinwenyu Super Nexus, so that you understand what Comrade Geza told me, and I will never forget it. He said, Unampano Nexus, Zimbabweans shouldn't be suffering. Ndikati, Comrade Murudichi, Zimbabweans shouldn't be suffering. Ndikati, Comrade taura nyaya yenyu. Mazuva wayayo tanga tichiri kugadzira news ne-AI, tine mamwe channels hatisiri kuzokuudzai right now, but it wasn't this one. We're coming from afar. We're coming from far. Zimbabwe. Super Nexus. We've been in the game for a long time. So let me tell you what he said. He went on and said, Mvano wangu, no Zimbabwean should be suffering. Ndika Comrade Murudu Chikan, Zimbabwe ndanga ndiri mu government for a long time. I know about a lot of things. There is no such corruption muno Zimbabwe. I tell you, every Zimbabwean right now would be in a very good place. Muno ongochiti wewe a nurse, a teacher, angada achifamba ne a brand new Toyota Corolla. Muno onoti wewe a lecturer pa University of Zimbabwe, a lecturer pa School of Mines in Bulawayo, a lecturer pa Midland State University, angada achifamba ne a brand new Benz, financed by the bank, achirarama in an apartment, 3-bedroom apartment, nice one, or a full house, kuma deo, kuma suburb. Muno Zimbabwe, Gweru, ingada ire big city, inema deo, inema suburbs, inema apartments, all these beautiful things. Bulawayo, same thing. Harare, same thing. Mutare, same thing. Mashingo, same thing. But because of corruption, mfano wangu, kuba state resources, and then the president does nothing about it because Iye Pachake is also involved. It's not because of that disease, corruption. Every Zimbabwean will be in a good place. Hakuna a Zimbabwean civil servant. Talking about civil servants, talking about nurses, teachers, doctors, police, soldiers, etc. Hakuna angada achi wora mari iri pasi pe $1,000. Murezimbabwe ndakazviteerera izvozvo zvichitaurwa naComrade Geza. Bozi, when people sezvaitaurwa naComrade Geza kuti kwanzi tava kuma quarter past of, do you still remember this? Hanzi tava kuma quarter past, kuma 2 of our lives. Kureva kuti we are about to go now. And he said this akati, Zimbabweans, I want to tell you, a revolution takes a long time. So my people, we are in the middle of this thing. Now, regained move from what my brother, my Sekuru, Comrade Geza, said to me. Now let me move to the Commandos. So takuudzai isusu kuti takakuudzai about a couple of days ago. Chiti Chiwenga wapinzira ma-Commandos ari kuuya kuzotraina team rake etc. But before that, tina Comrade Knox Chivero vanga vabudikira vachitaura pamusoro pema-Commandos, not Commandos. Now vachitaura specifically about the Wagner group, which is a military, it's like a private military group. It's like a private Russian military group. And this Wagner group have been involved also in Burkina Faso. Kunana mpana Ibrahim Traore. So what was happening in Burkina Faso? Burkina Faso yakadzinga ma Western powers. Yakadzinga wana France, specifically France, yakadzinga ma military groups angariko, because they were there, but terrorism was there. They were always at war with terrorism, which means they were not trying to really finish terrorism, but they were like letting them be there so that they can always have a job to always fight them. But Ibrahim Traore chakapinda power, chakabvisa all of that French forces and their wars, and then replaced them with Wagner group. It's like a private Russian military group, but you can understand it linked Unana Putin, because how can a private military group survive in a country like Russia with the Russian military? You understand? So it can't. So Ukaona exists, it's because it's associated somewhat with the Russian government itself, Vana Putin. So now, Comrade Knox Chivero vakatiudza vakati Mnangagwa is using that same Wagner group muno muZimbabwe because he is scared kuti ZDF, Zimbabwe Defense Forces, will not be associated naye achiita zvinabasa kuma citizens, trying to suppress the citizens to stop them from rising against Cape 3. Now, rising against Cape 3 is something that is going to happen when? 31 July. It's already there, been planned. And it's going to happen. Cape 3 varofunga kaita pedzira Cape 3 atopindira muri kunyepa, and you know it. 31 July chakachaya, my citizens everywhere. And when that happens, that's exactly when Achiwenga and his military wing are going to strike. Achiwenga is not a first timer in these things. He knows these things. He did it in 2017. And unfortunately, he's going to do it again. And 31 July is the date. Because makaona irikunzi sungano yevanhu, that thing is backed up by Achiwenga and the military faction. It's not just vanalove mo madhuku vanatenda ibiti vezvemachechi vozvomweya vemasivhu chakadaro. No, it's actually military doing things. So Mnangagwa is in absolute panic. And Achiwenga right now turns out wauyisa ma-Russian commandos, not Wagner group yanga ichiwiswa naMnangagwa, but ma-Russian commandos. The Russian military, the Russian government is, this is non-fact. MuZimbabwe vanoteura muzinda wevanhu ndakanguri ndazvitaura ini super nexus ndikakuudza kuti Achiwenga is backed by Russia, whilst Mnangagwa was backed by China. And that word randashanisara kuti was is very important, because now as we speak China refused to back Mnangagwa. China is about the money, about the business. Xi Jinping, of course, is a big dictator in China, but that's it, not anywhere else. And he is not ready to be a dictator anywhere else. He is cool with being a dictator only in China. So he is not going to be involved in any other state's politics. He won in China and that's it. He's not going to try to influence Zimbabwean politics. No. He's about the money, the business, the companies, the resources, lithium, etc. So whoever comes into power in Zimbabwe, it will be our choice as Zimbabweans. Ndiye anotakuisa next in power. And unfortunately, right now, it seems like it's Achiwenga. So, Zimbabwe, I want to thank you for watching this.